At the beginning of 2022, I released a video covering what had happened with Cricut in 2021. And I made predictions for what might happen in 2022. I hadn't looked at what my predictions and hopes were until after the beginning of this year. So let's take a look at what I hoped and predicted, as well as a quick overview of the other things that happened with Cricut in 2022. My name is Ruth. This is Hank's Maker Mentor, where I help you learn how to make. This is the hope and prediction page that I included in my video last year. Hopes were the things I really wanted to happen, and predictions are the things that I thought would happen, but I wasn't attached to. My hopes included full page print and cut, better Bluetooth connectivity, processing speed improvements, new adaptive tools for the Maker and Maker 3, more infusible ink blanks. I predicted that there would be more smart materials. They would reach 250,000 Cricut images. There would be 5 additional destination pages and a swing away or clamshell heat press. So how did I do? Check marks mean we have it. X means we don't have it, and the orange arrows show a middle ground. We still don't have full page print and cut. I feel like Bluetooth connectivity and processing speed improved a little bit, but still have plenty of room for improvement. There are no new adaptive tools for the Maker or Maker 3. There are more infusible ink blanks. There are more Cricut Smart materials. Cricut surpassed 300,000 Cricut images, including images that are part of the new Contributing Artist program. There are many more destination pages. And in terms of a swing away or clamshell heat press, Cricut released the Cricut Auto Press, which is a clamshell style heat press. They also released the Easy Press 3 lineup, the Cricut Bright 360 Lite. There's the table version and the floor version. The pictures are not to scale. The Cricut Card Mat allows you to create the same types of cards that the Joy Card Mat could, using your Explore and Maker machines. They added cutaway cards, watercolor cards and pens, a variety of other new pens, new vinyls, including new smart materials. In terms of software, Cricut Design Space had a lot of changes in 2022. If you look at the release notes page and count them, there are 22 new desktop versions and 1 new Android update. There are no new iOS updates listed here, but iOS did get several new features that had previously been released only on desktop. Android is still waiting for a lot of those features. Some of the main new features introduced to Design Space include Monogram Maker, guides, and editable images. So of my predictions, I got 4 out of 4. Unfortunately, my hopes, I really only got 1. I'd love to include your hopes and predictions for 2023 when I create the review video next year. Let me know in the comments what you hope and predict. Thanks for watching Hank's Maker Mentor. Until next time, bye.